Hey guys, it's me, Matty B, and today I'm going to show y'all how to use your Samsung device as a webcam on OBS. Absolutely free and no watermark included. Let's get into it. In order for you to start using your Samsung device as a webcam on OBS, you'll need the following things. First, you need a device that is compatible with DeX. So those devices are Galaxy S8, the S8 Plus, the S8 Active, along with the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 9. It is only compatible with those devices. Next, you'll need Samsung DeX, along with OBS. So I'm going to assume you already have OBS. You can download OBS at their website, obsproject.com. And you can also download DeX at samsung.com/us/explorer/DeX. I'll have these links in the bio below. So once you have downloaded OBS and downloaded DeX, you want to go ahead and open Samsung DeX. I've already got it downloaded. You basically download it like any other program, and you'll be prompted on your phone to start casting to DeX. So you need to go ahead and make sure your phone is open and press start now. So now you have DeX open. Basically, it's kind of like using your phone as an operating system, which, I think is pretty cool and definitely has its perks, but, that's another video for another day. So first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to Apps, and then go ahead, click Camera, and now that opens your camera. Perfectly, clear. So now you want to flip your camera around, and there's me. Hey guys. And then go ahead and press video. I prefer having it on video so that you don't have the little box, the facial recognition box, and because that'll show up in like streams if you plan on streaming or videos, things like that. So now that you have that open, you can go ahead and go to OBS. I already have it open. And you'll want to go ahead and make a source, a window capture source. Just create, you can name it whatever you want. And it's going to ask you if you want it Samsung DeX, but you're going to want to click the second one, not the first one. So here I am. Got that open. Click OK. Well, now you've got your webcam on OBS. You can put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it in the corner. And you can, you can size it however you want. But obviously, we have an issue with the black boxes and the top part and, the frame, basically. So we'll go ahead and fix that by going to Filters, going to add a crop/pad. You can name it whatever you want if you want to do that. Make sure that's on relative, and then you can go ahead and change this. So we're just going to go with 200. So as you can see, it's moving in, closer to where you want it. So I think it's like 250 for me. It's kind of a trial and error thing, but you essentially get the idea. So you can do like 300 on both sides. And then you want to change the top. 20, I believe, is how you get rid of the top. And if you want to get rid of the bottom part, go ahead and type in the number that you want. I think it's going to be in the hundreds. Yeah, like that. And you can change it to whatever you want. I think I, of course, don't want the little black boxes. So I think 340 is good for me. 40, and we can go even higher on the bottom so that it's a little bit more of a square. Maybe 180. And you can make the top go down even more if you want. Okay. You can do like 100. I think that's good. So that's a good idea of what you want it to look like. And here we are. We got a little me down there. Make it to whatever size you want. If you plan on streaming or if you plan on making videos and stuff like that, you want to go ahead and make sure this is like a square. And I will show you guys my actual setup for my Twitch channel. We'll go ahead to Twitch scenes, let it do its thing. There we go. I just need to reset this just because I switched over. Properties. Select our Samsung DeX. Okay. Now obviously it's kind of you know, it has the black boxes. Just because it's also based off of whatever resolution you have. So when you resize this window, the little image in the corner is going to resize as well. So, you know, it does take some playing around with, but yeah, that's essentially how you have kind of a unorthodox webcam with your Samsung device. And like I said, it's only compatible with some Samsung devices like the S8 series, the S9 series, and the Note 9. But I actually stumbled upon this. You know, I didn't even know that I could do this. I was actually looking into other methods, you know, with the watermarks and stuff like that, and that just didn't really seem appealing to me. So I hope this helps y'all. You know, it definitely helped me. And yeah. Anyways, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to more videos coming soon. See you guys later.